Hello, my name is Willa, and my channel is Willa at Home. Today I have a job with SITEL, and SITEL is hiring for a licensed insurance agent to sell life, health, and other insurance. They are offering a $1,000 sign-on bonus for applicants that complete their application before Monday, July 20th, and have an active life insurance or health insurance license in hand. So as the associate, you will be working with some of the world's best brands, supporting customers with the billing inquiries, account or product questions, service orders, installation, scheduling, troubleshooting, and more by way of phone, email, chat, and social media. SITEL provides you with world-class paid training to prepare you before you get started. Also, I will start giving you this information now, so the description will start, and then you will learn how to apply for the job. The job description is that they are looking for licensed insurance agents to support life, accident, and or health claims for one of the largest insurance providers in the U.S. The associate will take calls and chat inquiries from customers with guaranteed sales. This position includes free multi-state licensing and opportunities for year-round full-time employment at the conclusion of the OEP season. There is no cold calling. The primary responsibilities are to interact with customers, clients, insurance carriers, and internal sources to provide coverage information. You will complete a variety of day-to-day client service transactions, including policy endorsements, certificates, binders, cancellations, or other necessary tasks as needed. You will evaluate client needs and research to answer inquiries and make appropriate coverage recommendations. Then for the qualifications of this job: active life insurance and health insurance resident license, strong communication skills including the ability to toggle between screens while chatting with the member, exceptional customer service skills, high school diploma, higher education preferred. Must pass a background check and drug screening. The licensed insurance agent, you will begin your new career working at SITEL, and more than a job, it's a career full of growth and development opportunities, valuable connections, and lifelong skills and experiences. You're joining a family of diverse and empowered associates around the globe, and you will make a difference in people's lives. So you can begin your SITEL life today by applying. So, also, the job type is full-time, and it says temporarily. It's a season time where they're gathering information for customers and getting new applicants to obtain or purchase insurance. The pay is $17 per hour. The benefits are 401k matching, disability insurance, employee assistance program, employee discount, flexible spending account, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, professional development assistance, referral program, retirement plan, tuition reimbursement, vision insurance. And the schedule for this job is going to be an 8-hour shift. It's going to be day shift. It's from Monday to Friday. They have some night shift and weekends when necessary. They also have supplemental pay, which is a bonus pay. And of course, the work location is fully remote, and the employment length varies, and you will work remotely. So now that we've gone through all of that, when you're ready to apply for this job, you'll go up to the top and hit apply. Click apply. Okay. And it brings you to this screen. And this is where you'll start your application. I've read this to you, and you'll start here. And you'll put in all your demographics, and then you'll probably either upload a resume, or you will cut and paste a resume, or you will just enter all your information. So if you feel that you are fit for this position as an insurance agent, a licensed insurance agent, please apply for the job, and I will leave a link to this below the video. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to get upcoming notifications of jobs. And don't forget to like this video. And you have a nice day.